Sunday to 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday. Heavy with snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 5 to 8 inches. Areas affected include portions of northern Connecticut, central, eastern and northeastern Massachusetts, and northern Rhode Island. When, from 7 a.m. Sunday to 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday. Impacts include travel could be very difficult. Rain may mix in at times, especially near the immediate coast. Snowfall rates could reach 1 to 2 inches per hour at times during the afternoon hours. Winter storm warning remains in effect from 7 a.m. Sunday to 1 a.m.